Odio saber que en ti una vez más yo confié. Odio todo lo te amo que mil veces te testé. Baby, mejor que tú ahora tengo como 10.
Hi guys, so welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be a I can't even get myself in the camera, like what's going on, like? Okay, so today's video is going to be a hair review. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me because like my camera's like hanging out the window, like because I need to get my whole body in, so I don't know like if you can hear the wind or whatever, but hopefully this works. So basically this video is going to be a hair review. This hair was sent to me by Dye Hair 777. This hair is Brazilian Royal Grade straight and it came in the inches 18, 20, 22 with a 14-inch frontal. So yeah, I made it into a wig unit. The hair came black originally, but as you can see I bleached it twice. Yeah, I bleached the hair twice to get this colour, and then I put a toner in, an ash blonde toner. So this is the colour I've got, and today I've gone for like a wet look, but it's not really staying wet, so that's that. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the back of my hair. So yeah, this is the colour. This is what it turned out. Like, it's quite long, but I'm really short, so I'm quite short, so like hair will be long on me, longer than others. But yeah, so yeah, I made this into a wig unit, and yeah, I really like it. I feel like the length is good, really good, because as you guys know, I really love long hair. The thing I love most about this frontal was that it was pre-plucked and that they had made baby hairs, and like this is probably my favorite frontal that I've ever been sent because it saved me so much time. Like usually I'm spending an hour and a half plucking the frontals, but with this one, like I didn't even need to make my own baby hairs. Like these ones were already made. All I had to do was slick it down with some eco styler, and that's that. Like I had to pluck a bit of the frontal away, of course, as always, but majority of it was done already, so that made it so much easier for me and saved me a lot of time. The hair is really good. Like what's it called, obviously I bleached his hair like what, twice, some parts even 3 times, because they came out different colors. So the hair has withheld and it's not damaged. Like yeah, it's not damaged like as I would expect it to be. Like obviously right now it's looking a bit dry because like I haven't straightened it and it's just like wet, but it's dry, not wet. But the hair is really good. Like I've straightened it before I decided to do a wet look, and it was really silky and shiny, and I don't know if it's because I left it in conditioner for like 3-4 days, but maybe that helped. So the hair is really soft and really still in good condition. It's really healthy and it's maintained this shine. In regards to shedding, this hair doesn't shed a lot. Like this hair has shed literally 0 hair, apart from where I plucked it out, of course, but this hair doesn't shed at all. Like this hair literally does not shed. There's nothing coming out. So yeah, I'd rate that a 10 out of 10 because the hair does not shed, and that's really good, because who wants to have thin hair? Like who wants to have a thin wig? Not me. The hair is also very soft, and I feel like it will last a very long time. Like this wig will last me for maybe a year if I look after it, at most probably longer. The bundles are really big, and it took me 3 bundles to make this wig, and I had some of the 3rd bundle remaining. So the hair is really thick, and yeah, you don't need a lot of hair to make this wig. Like there's been some wigs where I've used 4 bundles to make it, and like that's just too much. Like I want thick hair, but not thick to that extent, and this is really good because yeah, the bundles were really good, and they were also true to length. So the bundles, I measured the bundles and they were very true to length, so I wasn't bumped. I didn't get bumped for my money. I got my coins worth, even though I didn't pay for it, but you know, if you're gonna buy it, you're gonna get your coins worth. the hair was very easy to bleach. The colour just lifted right off. But I bleached it twice because I didn't really get my desired colour the first time, and black hair is really, some bundles are so hard to bleach. Like it takes me literally like so long, like 3, 4, 5 times to bleach it to even get my colour, but I got my colour in like 2 goes this time, so that was pretty easy for me. All the details, all the coupons, discount codes and everything will be down below in the description. Their Instagram, their website, everything will be down below. I just really love this hair. Like I say this in every video, but this is the best frontal I've ever got. Ooh. I liked frontals, but then when I realized how hard it was to make it on fleek, I was just like, no, let me just get a closure. And then I got a closure, and then I got this frontal, and then I was like, nah, like, I really can't be asked for frontals no more. And then I saw the pre-plucked baby hairs, and I saw the pre-plucked hairline, and I was like, let me give this a try. And like, I'm back on frontals. Like this wig, this frontal, this company has put me back onto frontals. Like, why did I ever doubt it? Like, and the shipping literally took, how long did it take? A week, less than a week. Like, they were pretty good with timing. Like, I received this hair so quick. I was not expecting it. I never expected it, man. Like, I wasn't even ready. Like, I was not ready, but I had to get ready for it, for the slay. I had to get ready for the slay, and now I'm ready for the slay, and now we are slaying together. What's good? Ooh.